Hello everyone, this is Anthony sir and you are welcome to my channel English Grammar with Anthony sir. First of all, I must say thank you to everyone who have subscribed my channel, and also if you are visiting me for first time and you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. So let's start today's grammar topic. Our today's grammar topic is the correct use of articles. Lesson number 5, class 8. So in this lesson we are going to learn about articles. What are the articles? Students find it difficult to choose the correct article even in the class 9, 10. At that level also students are confused. And that is why this article subject is even in class 9 and 10. But with this video, with the help of this video, all your doubts about articles will be cleared. First of all, what is articles? So articles are words such as a, an, and the, which combines with a noun to form a noun phrase. So basically they come with noun to modify noun, and it also makes noun phrase. But sometimes it also comes before adjective also to make noun phrase. So main work of article is to make noun phrase. There are two types of articles. Number one is indefinite and second is definite article. So let us see what is indefinite article. Article A and N are indefinite articles, and the definition says the indefinite articles A and N are used when talking about a general or non-specific noun. It means when the noun is not specific, we use article A or N. Now where to use article A and where to use article N, we will learn all the rules one by one. According to rule number 75, as a general rule, an article A, N, and the is used before singular countable noun. For example, I saw a woman in the street, I saw an elephant in the street, I saw the dog in the street. So this is general rule that articles are mainly used before singular countable noun. But remember, this is general rule. So it has some exceptional also that we are going to learn in next rules. Rule number 76 says the article N is used before vowel sound, a consonant sound like a vowel, or a silent H. Okay? For example, an ass, an enemy, an inkpot. So wherever you see vowel sound, remember, not vowel letters but vowel sound. So sometimes it is possible that there is no vowel letter. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. But sometimes it is possible that vowel letter is not there but the sound is vowel. For example, H, O, U, R, and hour. So we will use O, sound is O, so we will use article N and not article A. According to rule number 77, the article A is used before a consonant sound, before U sound as YU, and before O sound as WU. So it means there should be consonant sound where we can use article A. It also means that sometimes the word has vowel letters at the beginning of the word, but the sound is consonant, so we will use article A because the sound is consonant. For example, a boy, a woman, a yard, a house, a hole. All these word has consonant, letter and sound. But these words, for example, a university, a unicorn, a useful thing, a European, this word has vowel letters at the beginning of word, but the sound is consonant sound. Therefore, we are not using article N, but we are using article A. Now the second article is definite article. The definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to define it as something specific. Underline this word specific because the article the is always used for things that are specific. If it is general, then indefinite article a or an. But if it is specific, then we will use article the. This article also has some rules that we will see one by one. Now the use of article the, rule number 78, the article the is used in number 1 when we speak of a particular person or things or one already referred to. It means whenever something that is already referred to, it becomes specific or known to the speaker. If the speaker is known by that specific thing, he can use article the. For example, the book you gave me is very useful. Now remember, here book can be general also and book can be specific also. If you mean it general book, that means you will use article a or an. But because it is book, you will use a book. But when you are talking about specific book that you already know, then you will use article the. So this is the difference. You can use article the if the thing is specific. If the thing is general, use article a or an. Now the second rule says when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, we can use article the. For example, the lion is the king of beast. Here you are not talking about only one general lion, but you are talking about lion as the whole class. It means all the lion are the beast. Okay, so that is why you can use article the here. The second example, the rose. Here you are not talking about specific one rose, but you are talking about all the rose. You can use it singular rose, but with the article the. It means you are talking about all the rose. Number 3 says with names of books, rivers, seas, ocean, groups of islands, gulf and mountain ranges, you can use article the. For example, the Gita, the Vedas, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Red Sea, the Indian Sea, the Himalayas, like that. You can use article the because they are also specific. They are unique on its own. Rule number 4 says before the names of things which are unique, you can use article the. Why are they called unique? Because they are only one. Sometimes unique thing can be they are not only one, but they are not easily to be found. You can also call them unique thing. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the sea, the ocean, all these are unique things. Number 5 says before superlative degree. So we have learned in our previous lesson degrees. We have positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So whenever you are using superlative degree, you must use article the before the superlative adjective. For example, he is the best boy in our class. Number 6 says before an adjective when the noun is understood. It means in the sentence when adjective is doing the work of noun, we can use article the. For example, the rich should be kind to the poor. Here rich and poor, they are adjective word, but they are working as noun in the sentence, so we can use article the for that. Rule number 79, the article a or an, which are also called indefinite article, is used in number 1 in the sense of one. It means when we are talking about one thing, we can use article a. For example, wait a minute. These are the general meaning. A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. It means one bird. I have a pen. It means I have one pen. So you can use article a for the sense of one also. Number 2, in the vague sense of a certain, it means you are not sure of the number of the noun. For example, there was an old man in the street. So you don't know the person. It is not known. So you can use article a or an. One evening, a beggar came to my house. Which beggar? We don't know. It is not certain. So we can use article a. Number 3, to single out an individual as the representative of the whole class. It means from the whole class, when we are talking about single noun, we can use article A. For example, a pupil should obey his teacher. A cow is useful animal. Here we are not talking about all the cow, we are talking about only one particular cow. That is why we are using article A. Now the next rule is rule number 80, no article is used. Now this is very important to know where you should not use article, because you cannot use article at any noun. So this rule shows there are some nouns where we don't use article. Number 1, before a noun used in the widest sense, you should not use article. Not definite or indefinite articles should not be used. For example, man is mortal. What kind of flower it is? You cannot say what kind of a flower or what kind of the flower, because it is used for the widest sense. You should not use article there. Number 2, before names of materials. Which are the materials? Gold, cotton, copper. These are the materials, metals. You should not use article. Any article should not be used there. For example, gold is a precious metal. You cannot say the gold is precious metal. Number 3 says before proper nouns. So if the noun is proper noun, what is the meaning of proper noun? It is the name of a specific thing or person. You should not use article. For example, Bombay is a big city. You cannot say the Bombay. And also the name of a person. Ashoka was a great king. You cannot say the Ashoka was a great king, because it is the name of a person. You cannot use article. Not a Ashoka, an Ashoka, the Ashoka. You should not use any article before that. But many students make mistake that when they are writing answer, and if the answer start with the name of a person, they put article the. For example, the Mahesh told. So that is wrong. That is why we are learning rule here, that when it is proper noun, we should not use article. Any article we should not use. Number 4 says before abstract nouns used in a general sense. So when there is abstract noun used in a general sense, we should not use article. For example, falsehood is never liked. Honesty is the best policy. You should not say the honesty. Virtue is its own reward. Virtue, you cannot say the virtue, because they are abstract nouns. After this, in rule number 81, you have miscellaneous examples, and answers are also given in the book, that you can do it on your own for your own self study, and exercise also you can do it on your own. Repeat this video, watch this video again and again, and I believe that you will understand all the rules of articles. If you have any doubt, you can send me the message and ask me question. I'm ready to help you. Thank you. Thank you so much students for watching this video, and wait for the next preposition exercise. I hope you have enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.